Hello everyone, this is Animish Sharma. This is the third part of GoBlogX. Today we are going to create a front end and let's begin. Okay, so we are going to create a React application from Vite. I will actually post this link in description. So we are going to create a React application from Vite, not from Create React app. And you can just go over Blog Rocket. I have given the link of that in description to the comparison between Vite and create React app. So let's create a Vite application. You just have to say npm create Vite latest. Let's paste it here and we wait because npm is super slow. So now let's name our project front end and it will be a React application with JavaScript and we're done. So cd front end and npm I. Okay, so in our front end application, this is our application. Let's just run this npm run dev and we should be running by now and it's on localhost 5173. Okay, let's go. Okay, so we have to edit app.jsx. Let's cut it out because we only want normal. We don't want any of this. Let's just cut it out. Yes, true. And we should have, yes, a normal page. Now what else do we need? We need Axios and something called React Router DOM or React Router, and this is the React Router we need. And I have not used React Router in a while, so first we have to install this by saying npm install React Router DOM. Okay, we might need also this, so let's just this. Okay, so we are back and now what else we need is something called Axios, which is a better version of fetch functions of JavaScript, and I like working with Axios, it's better. Run dev. So inside here we're gonna import some things. First of all we're gonna import route and browser router. React route DOM. Okay, let's just go here and say browser router. Inside here there will be routes and inside route, and let's just create first, let's create our applications right here. So we will have containers, components. Pretty sure that there's a, and so we need, I think hooks, HOCS or whatever you read this, and I guess that's, yeah, that's all. So in containers we are gonna need a file, not like this. We're gonna have a file called home.jsx. Okay, so for that I just received a call, and in home.js let's create an normal React functions. By the way, if you don't know what I'm doing, I have installed something called React, yes, this React Redux I don't know, ES7 plus React Redux React Native snippets. You can just type the name here and you will be able to find that. So we have a home function, so let's create a first root, and it will have a path of slash, and inside that we will have an element that will be home. Okay, it just throws so much. Okay, we have to, yes, let's try this. We have home in the middle. Okay, so I guess we have to, yeah. Now we have home in the sideways, and I think we don't need any of this from here. Yeah, just the normal settings. We want this, we want this, we don't want this, this, don't want this, also don't want this, and we want this. Okay, why do we have, we also don't want this, not this. We have our home, but it's not showing. Yeah, it's back. So we have our home right here. Let's have what else we're gonna need here. We have homes, we're gonna have login here too. So login.jsx and rafce and in app.js. You can just copy, select this right here and press Shift Alt down. You will have same thing right here, and we're gonna need login. Let's import login and slash login, and it's logged. So we have our paths now. We have our path now. Let's refresh. Okay, so let's integrate Bootstrap in here. We just have to type bootstrap, and you shall get this. You don't want for HTML, and you might say, what the hell are you saying? Actually, we are gonna integrate Bootstrap through HTML. Just copy this right here, come here to index.html and paste it right here. Now go back, copy script and paste it right here, and you should be good to go. To verify that you have email, you can just go to documentations to look for his headings, keyboard typography. This is normal. The fancy, yes, display one. Instead of class, you will have class names. So we're gonna say not this, each one, and the class name will be display one and hello world. Let's see if we have, yes, we have Bootstrap now, and Bootstrap makes things much easier than a normal things. Okay, so let's create a layout. So we have to, actually we need app bar to be situated at the top of our screen right here, like this, right? So we have to pass our pages through a type of container. Navbar will be always on top of that. I hope you're understanding. So what I'm saying, is that we have to pass this home page through a container in which the navbar is on top and the rest of the page is for that function that is passed, or the page that is being passed. So for that we are going to create layout.js, layout.jsx, and this will be our FCE normal as normal, and sorry, and we will have children from here. Children will be passed in layout, and we're going to display children right here. And how are we going to display navbar if we don't have our navbar? So let's just create navbar.jsx and refce. Let's just save that first. And in navbar, we're gonna say, let's just select navbar from here. Navbar works. This looks good, but we don't want this. Neither do we want this. This looks good. Yeah, this looks good. Let's just copy this right here. Copied and paste it right here. Okay. Again, move it right here. Sorry, right here. This will be like this, and like this right there. Okay, so just double click on class and press Ctrl D, Ctrl D, Ctrl D, Ctrl D, and just add name at last, and you have a lab bar. Let's just paste it right here. Okay, so how we are gonna pass our layout in this function? That's is super easy. What we are gonna do is in here in roots we're gonna say layout, and this goes down here. So let's try this now. Oh yeah, yes, we have our links right now. And if I just go login, yes, we have login function right here. So let's create something called redux for state management. Now redux is a predictable state container for JS applications, blah 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 and blah. I hope you understood. Thank you very much. Now how we are going to do this? Super easy. So what we are going to do here is getting started. So first of all, you have to install this redux toolkit, and because redux is a very JavaScripty state management, it's over complicated for some reason, and I don't even know why. Okay, once redux has been created, all you have to do is go to your front end. So apparently how it works right now is that like this. Actually, we don't need actions anymore. So what we can do right here on auth.js, just so it does not work like I thought it would. So apparently now it works with something called create slice. Let's just import it right here, and we will have const auth slice create slice, and we will have name, we will name it auth, and we will have reduces initial state. So initial state will be like I deleted that. This yeah, paste it right here. Okay, we have our initial state. Now next thing we need is reduces. So right now I will have only one. Yeah, I will have only one, that will be login. And what will it be needing? Need a state, and it returns a value. No, it does not. And I will say is authenticated, state dot is authenticated, state dot is authenticated equals to true. I hope, I wish it would be that easy, but it is not. So let's go default. Default auth slice dot reducer, and export const login as auth slice dot actions. We actually don't need this, and either we need this. Actually, we also don't need this. We also only need auth state. What are we going to import from reducers? Here we're going to have auth. Did we need this? Auth slice. Reducers dash auth. Auth slice. Counter reducer. Whatever. Oh, we are actually importing the reducer. We can name it whatever we want. So let's run it again. Let's see. Okay. Yep, it's working now. And to see if it's working, let's just go into our home.js and use something called, import something called toSelector, and then say const is auth is equals to use selector state dot auth dot is authenticated, and we will have a paragraph here that will say if I am authenticated or not. Okay, so I guess I have found what's wrong in it. So actually, in order to get the value, you don't have to use something called state.auth.is authenticated. Instead, you can use state.is authenticated. But we also are gonna be putting here the notifications button, actually. Yeah, hot toast or push notifications kind of thing. So actually, we're gonna have two reducers right here. Right now we have one, but we're gonna have two. In order to do that, we're gonna make reducer an object where auth slice will be of auth, and once this is done, you cannot get the value as state.is authenticated, you have to use state.auth.is authenticated, and then you can get the value. So let's go here. This is auth and p is auth. I am not saying anything. Is auth. If true, then we will say authenticated. Else guest. Else guest, yes. So right now we are not authenticated, so it's gonna say guest. And for the last part of this video, let's clear out this navbar, and then we will proceed further in the next video. So in components navbar, we actually don't need home, actually need home, and actually these are conditional links. Let's not filter them out, we're gonna filter them in next video. So in next video we are actually comment. Find that I was seeing a comment in previous video that was way before, and I sprained my fingers so bad that I could not even make this video so later. So comment from Luan Cobbs, I hope I pronounced your name right. It's amazing, thanks for that. Preview for the next video. So I will be giving preview for the next video from now on. So in next video we will be creating conditional links. So if you're authenticated, you will be seeing your account in, like account here. Instead of pricing, you will see account and blogs and all that. But if you are not authenticated, then you will be seeing logins and logout. In next video we will be adding login and logout, login and register page, and much more. So thank you for watching. This is Animish Sharma signing out.